Hello guys, this is Elle from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and I hope you're enjoying the warm weather while you can. I have some fun before there is another lockdown or something's happening in the world and we all of us locked ourselves in again. That is, the problem in nowadays that we're positive, we're doing everything we can to move on in our lives, and then something, happens, someone's suicide or something happened, and then we have to lock ourselves in. Anyway, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for your likes, and please connect with me on the social media. Ask me if you need any particular, help with tech, because as you know, my channel is also about, helping you get through tech issues, like if you want to design something and you struggle, because you shouldn't be struggling, guys. We try to make it easy. From my point of view, I don't want to waste in time. I just want things to be easy, and I don't like to, pay money to companies that they're very complicated, or I need, to waste in time to learn something. So that's a philosophy I'm living. That's a philosophy that you should be living, because life is short. You want to grow your business, but at the same time, you want to enjoy, having a business. As you know, I download videos every Thursday. So please subscribe to my channel and don't miss any uploads that I do. For a while I wasn't uploaded, if you notice, for those website who are you already subscribers, because I had some issues with my internet, and then it was the lockdown, so I couldn't be able to go to the internet cafe and upload. But things sorted out, and then I was back on YouTube. So sometimes, there are unforeseen circumstances that happens, but we have to deal with it and move on. So let's get back in business. So in today's video, we'll teach you small tips on how to create an Optin form with OptinMonster. As you know, I'm using OptinMonster. It's simple, it's easy, it's affordable. You know very well that we are bloggers, and you know that I'm always in this channel. You're gonna learn about affordable, great services rather than spending a lot of money, because if you just started, you cannot invest a lot, and we will talk about those things in the future video. You need, to make sure you generating sales and generating leads. So OptinMonster is very, very, very good services when it comes to increasing your subscribers. They have different type of campaigns. It's affordable. I have the simples plan. You don't have to pay a lot of money per month, and the most important thing is it's easy, and you don't need a degree or something, a philosophy or anything like that. So I will show you a couple of steps, because things have also changed. I will put the link below on OptinMonster. Please try it, and if you need anything, let me know. So we shine it into our dashboard, main campaign dashboard. We press create new campaign. Now here we have the different types of campaigns that we could do. This is a pop-up. This is a floating bar. The full screen. Those are very popular. Inline is, inside your blog post. Sliding for the left hand side, for the right hand side, or your sidebar. And this is game fleet. The thing is that I'm using a lot of inside blog posts, that you should be doing those as well. I mean, you can use the floating bar when it's like for sales, or particularly for something you start, or something, like something countdown that you want to mark when people they visit your website. There is so many different designs to choose. That's so good about OptinMonster, that you can choose any design and I love it. Look at these now, the new ones, 1st of July. Look, so you have this one, 50% discount below. It's so simple and it's so beautiful. So you don't really have to struggle, just choose a design. You have Valentine's, you have offers, you have reports, and you can go to preview. Use the preview, for example, here, and you can have a look through as I'm doing that. Very beautiful. So let's say, and the full screens are very popular, guys. They're very popular, and actually they're really working. So you really need to have a lot of opt-in forms and drive traffic and then see what is working. You have to, keep an eye on it. So let's go and choose inline, which is the ones that we put inside the blog post. And again, we have so many things to choose. Again, use these templates, preview, always check it to see what it looks like before I try to choose it. Father's Day, July the 4th, are very popular because we give it sales. Hustler. Here you can put, remember that you can take a screenshot of your image of, of your PDF or your ebook and put it over here and put the description. Okay, let's choose this one. Use this template. Now, how do you gonna call your inline campaign? Well, we can call it email marketing, wherever, email M, because I have another one. Start building. Now, as you can see here, we have the design, we have the display rules, we have the integrations for email marketing and whatever service do you use. Remember, you need to connect those, and analytics, and then you publish the campaign. Now, as you can see here, what we can do is to just double click here, and you can replace this image with, I have things on my, there you are, I can actually use this image. For example, this is my Pinterest marketing blueprint that I use, and it looks beautiful. What you can do, guys, is just to click on here, and on the left hand side you have all the designs that you can, for example, you can write here straight away, like delete this and write anything you want. Take advantage of this 100% free PDF to build your business and get more users. Pinterest marketing, you can add here, and you can actually save. You see here the button save. You save the campaign, and you can have color, like you can change the color. Again, you can see here, again you have the inline, you see text. If you click more text, the size, again the color, so you can choose here and you can choose the color, or you can do all of it. For example, and then you press save. So you can do a lot of things by changing. It's so simple. You don't need to have a lot of tech, abilities. Don't forget to press save and look at those here. This is the opt-in form we're using. You can do yes or no campaign, for example. I will show you what is that. But before that, if you want to come here again, press double click. And what I advise, you can actually enter your email here. You can have the privacy button, press this one. As you can see, we promise not to spam you because of the rules. And if you want to, you can leave it there or put it at the end. And then again, double click and you can see the field, the private text that you have, and you can change anything you want in terms of, yes, send me this free PDF. You can see here on the left, on the button that you can change. You can say, I don't know, send me the free ebook, free plan, for example, put it with capital. Just have an example, then save, and it's simple. And you can change the color if you want the background color here. It doesn't, the font, you know, the color again is not really very complicated. You don't really need to know all of those things. You only need to know the most important ones. And here, for example, you put your picture if you want, or you can delete that part if you don't want that part. You can also delete like lines and elements that you don't want. And that is also another thing that you need to know about OptinMonster, is that you can do anything you want. And guys, it's simple. Try it. I will put the link below. Now, the yes or no campaign is like when you want to place an inline inside, like, for example, you have in a form of quiz. So you can use some of those things here for your inline, or even your any type of campaign that you can use, you know, in order to grow your email list. And remember that it is up to you how you're gonna do and what language you're gonna use. But remember, lead magnets and Optiforms are very important, and OptinMonster is going to help you to grow your email list. I am converting half of the people that visit my website, and this is for me very important. You know, you need to keep an eye on your analytics, because otherwise, you know, there's no point of doing it. So, Optin, and let's go to display rules. Remember to do all the saves. Now, you have already, when you start in OptinMonster, you have already sorted out your website, so you don't need to put a website. When you want to place this, for example, it might be on your home page. If it is a full screen, it might be on, if it is an exact blog post, we choose this one, exactly matches. And what we do here, just put the link of the blog post. Don't put the, for example, don't put the whole URL, just put the blog post, all in the link of the blog post, and then do the next step. And then it's going to save, as always, and then it is done. So you don't have to struggle. And as you can see, have a look through what is good for you. Might have this one matches this pattern, or wherever you want to have the rules. So the rules are very important in order for the campaign to be able to be visible in your blog post or whatever you place your campaign. And don't forget to do save, and then you move to the next one, the integration. The integration is all about the email marketing. So I'm using a Weber. So I already have a Weber here. As you can see, that OptinMonster has different email marketing companies that incorporate. We put a Weber, and then you choose your campaign, and then you connect it with a Weber, for example, and then you can choose the campaign you want to send people when they sign up. All of those my campaigns. It's simple as that. Oops. So you just have to do save, and that's it. Remember to save any changes that you do, and then you have your analytics, which is very important for you to keep an eye in order to grow your business and increase your email list. Here you connect it with Google, we press connect, and then we connect my account, the website, as simple as that, and then save. It's so simple, but you don't have to worry, about anything else. You just sign up and work it out, play with it. Now, publish. Here there is a lot of things, like if you have a WooCommerce, you come here. Remember that OptinMonster, you have to connect it with your WordPress, so you don't have to worry if it's a plugin that you install in your WordPress. I have done that already, so the WooCommerce as well, or whatever. Shopify is working with any website. I have a WordPress, so I've done it. And when you come here, just come to this part and you choose campaign. This one, embed. This one, not global campaign. And you come here, you copy, and then you place the code on your blog post that's saved. And then, of course, you publish the campaign. As simple as that. As you can see here, all the rules, you can see on the right hand side what we did so far, and you can edit anytime you want the campaign. You can duplicate the campaign, and you can actually change the campaign, as I say, anything you want, anytime you want. So that's it, guys. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Please let me know to like this video and leave your comments below, and I wish you well.